Here's a fact. 8 out of 10 scientists recommend having an absolute banger of a breakfast. The 2 out of the 10 that don't recommend having a banger of a breakfast, well, trust me, they recommend that your breakfast absolutely slaps. That's it though. Alright, so here's the deal. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make eggs. And, oh, Adin, everyone knows how to make eggs. Wrong. Listen up here. Scrambled eggs are the easiest thing to make good, but also the easiest thing to mess up. Alright, let me show you how to make some scrambled eggs. Here's the simple part. Scrambling the eggs, literally scrambling it. We're gonna take one egg at a time, put it in here. I'm gonna flex on you, one-handed. Boom. Pretty sexy, huh? Here's one more. Oh, yeah, that was nice. Okay, now, don't listen to the Gordon Ramsay video where he says you can't season your eggs until halfway through. It's not true. Alright? Gordon Ramsay, yeah, he's a top tier chef, come at me. But I always season my eggs during this phase and it works perfectly. So, I like to use a little bit of everyday seasoning. You can use whatever you like. Sometimes I just change it up, put a little paprika in there, put some chili flavors, you know, change it up every once in a while, but just grind it on in. That's a good amount. A little bit goes a long way. Then we're gonna take a fork. Don't need to be fancy about it. Pop each yolk. And then just scramble it, buddy. Get that nice and scrambled. I mean, look, scrambled eggs should not be difficult. They're literally just eggs that you scramble and then you cook them on a pan. So, yeah, you saw that part. Now here comes the pan. So, here's where so many people go wrong. You don't need a pan this big. The smaller the better. Like, come on. I don't even think there's enough eggs in here to fill up this whole thing. Let me show you what I use. The tiniest pan I got in my house. If I had a smaller one, I'd use a smaller one. I don't got a smaller one, this one will be fine. Stop cooking your eggs on high heat. You want to cook them low and slow. Come on. Low and steady wins the... Slow and steady wins the race. That's how it always says. You know what I'm trying to say. So I'm just gonna bring this up to a nice medium heat. You always gotta put on a little bit of butter because butter tastes good. Butter also makes it so it doesn't stick. I like to not melt down my butter all the way before I put on my eggs. For some reason, I think it makes them a little creamier. I'm probably wrong. Might just be placebo, but yeah. Pour on your eggs, and then as soon as you pour them on, take a little spatula and do not stop mixing them until they cook all the way, okay? Because we don't want an omelet, we want scrambled eggs, okay? These are not your mama's scrambled eggs, these are yours. All right, as you can see, they're solidifying a little bit. I'm still gonna keep mixing them up, you know. Get a little workout in, that's always okay. You're a big boy, you're a big girl, you can get this done. Don't need to be a little wimp and not scramble your eggs. Cause, yeah, don't be lazy. Alright, you notice how they don't look all the way done? They are, because eggs keep cooking after you take them off the heat. So now is when we transfer them. Boom, you know, scrambled eggs. You don't have to follow. This is a transition. Hey guys, just editing up the end of this video here, and yeah, you know, I tried a different style. I don't know if you're gonna like it or not. Like, please let me know in the comments if you like this style. I can definitely change it up. I think I am planning on making like the transitions a little smoother next time that I talk instead of using a voiceover, but I hope you enjoy this new style. I hope this video does help so you stop overcooking your eggs, and yeah, have a good one. So yeah, that took like what, 5 minutes? Now you're actually gonna have a good breakfast for once, so thank me.